Hey everyone, Sushil here, back again with another video. In this one, we'll set up NestJS and create our first project step by step. Before we get started, I just want to mention one important thing. The best way to learn any technology is by following its official documentation. NestJS has very well structured and detailed documentation, and I highly recommend you go through it alongside this course. Sometimes videos or tutorials can become outdated over time, but the official documentation is always kept up to date, so it's always best to follow the documentation first. In this series, we'll be learning most of the concepts by referring to the documentation and implementing them step by step. So, let's get started with the setup. This is the NestJS official site. We can access the documentation from here. We'll look at all these concepts in details in upcoming videos. Here we can see the installation process of NestJS. To create NestJS projects, we have to install the NestJS CLI first. This command line tool helps us to create, manage and run NestJS application. So I'll copy this command and go to the command prompt. Now I'll paste it here and hit enter. This will install our NestJS CLI globally. As we can see, my NestJS CLI is installed now. I can use the NestJS commands in any location of my system. Here in my system, my Node.js minor version update is shown, but just leave it. I'll update my Node.js later. Now I'll go to the desktop and create one folder. I'll name it with NestJS. And inside this folder, I'll right-click and open it in terminal. As we can see here in the documentation, we can create our first NestJS project from this command. So I'll type it here. I'll name our project as first project and hit enter. Here it asks me for which package manager we want to use. I'll pick the npm. You can pick anyone. Now the installation is in progress. It may take a few seconds according to your internet speed. The installation process is complete. We can see our project folder here. Let me open it in VS Code. Yes, trust the author. And this is our folder structure of our project. Here in the package.json file, we can see the start script. So I'll run the project by npm run start. As you can see, it's successfully running. We can see the port number in this main.ts file. It is 3000. So I'll go to the browser and type localhost :3000. And as we can see, it is showing me the hello world text, which is inside this app service. In today's video, we successfully created our first NestJS project. In the next video, we'll dive into the project structure and understand the purpose of each file inside it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.